Oh, hello, today I'm going to show you how to lift up and secure your Audi A1 or S1. First step, open the driver's side and sit down, have a seat at the driver's seat. Now, push the clutch pedal and shift to gear number 1. Then pull the handbrake, good job. And you are going to release the clutch pedal because now your car is secured. That's not enough. We will do additional parts for more safety at work. Now let's go to the back side of your Audi. Take a wedge and go to the front side. Then support the front wheel. This is a different side of the side you are going to lift up the car. And now we have to find the car jack places. This is approx 20 centimeters in front of your rear wheel, and there is a massive part at the edges of your car to get the car jack there and lift the car up at this point. Do this with a rubber, as you can see, and there is a line in the middle, and this matches really good to the edges. Okay, now have the car jack in the center, 90-degree center of standing on the left side of your car, on the right side of course, and then you are going to pump your car up. Pump it up, baby, now. Yeah, and as you can see, the car jack is running inside a little bit, but this is important to make a safer stand for all of your using devices. Next step, the additional supporting stand will come under a massive part of your car like this. This is good. Maybe it's better to protect this additional part with another rubber, of course, but I didn't do that. Now let the car jack a little bit down until it's at the same level. Now you have two options of safety. One is the additional supporting stand and the other is the car jack. Now you're going to walk at or under your car. After you finish your work, let's lift up the car a little bit more and then remove the additional supporting stand immediately. Good job, easy going. Now it's time to open the valve of your car jack to let your car be going back on the ground again. Do this smooth and gentle and then remove the car jack full. That it is, easy going. Now remove the supporting wedges and you're ready to go back on the street again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.